We are getting started by adding 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese. To make this nice and tasty, you're gonna wanna grab a packet of ranch seasoning and dump that right on top of the cheese. You'll take your clean hands and start to mix all of that cheese together. You'll start to see that the cheese just starts to coat itself in that ranch seasoning. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. When this cheese starts to melt into that seasoning, it is going to be phenomenal. Now check this out. I have these super cute and fun donut pan here. Now, of course, you don't need a donut pan, but if you are interested in them, they really are fun and they're not too pricey. So they're really fun if you guys are into like making snack foods, and they do a lot of other good stuff just besides making donuts. So I'm gonna use it today to make a really fun and easy appetizer. All right, so we made our way through. We got those all filled with a little bit of cheese. Now I have some sliced onions. Of course, I picked the sweet onions because those are my favorite. Now, of course, the big controversy that I have to ask is the Valladolid onions, or however you say it, and the sweet onions. Are those the same or different? So on some of my other posts, we've talked about the different types of onions, and then people started telling me, oh, they're the same thing. Are they the same thing or are they not? Are they 2 different types of onions? I wanna know, you guys. Let's get it straight. Okay, so we have those onions in there and they are on top of that cheese. Now you can see that I'm just taking a little bit more of the cheese and I'm gonna put it right on top. So we are making our own cheesy version of an onion ring, and we have some of this ranch seasoning that is just gonna complement this so well. You guys, this easy appetizer here. So far, we're working with 3 ingredients. That's it. Now, I don't know if you're gonna use the ranch or you're not. Maybe you don't have the ranch on hand and you're just saying, hey, look, I really want to try this out with some onions and cheese. And if that's what you're thinking, let me tell you what, it is delicious, basic like that too. But we are kicking it up a notch using some of that ranch. And I'm gonna do the same thing like I did before. I'm just gonna go through with all of these and sprinkle just a little bit of this cheese on top, sandwiching in that delicious piece of onion. Ooh-wee, these are a game changer for sure. I am hungry. All right, you guys, we are ready to rock and roll. Yes, I am super stoked about this easy appetizer, but first we gotta pop it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 20 minutes, and stick around. I think this is gonna be your new favorite. All right, our onion rings are all done and I am ready to scarf these bad boys down. They look absolutely phenomenal. Now, normally I like to make like a horseradish dipping sauce, but I was all out. So tell me, what would you guys dip these in? Look at that. That looks so perfect. We have this nice, perfect onion ring. It's a little bit golden brown, and then we have some crispiness underneath there. All of that cheese is just tucked around the onion, and don't forget, we put that ranch seasoning in with the cheese. Let's give it a shot. Home run right here. You can see the onion cooked nice and soft there in the center. These turned out absolutely perfect, you guys. I hope you love this easy recipe. Oh my goodness. 3 ingredients, that's it. Can you believe it? The ranch just like takes it over the top. Next level flavor. I don't know. I might not be sharing any of these today. I hope you guys love this recipe. Let me know if there's anything that you would switch up. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.